Here we have a Husqvarna model YTH 18542. It's got a broken it's got the 42-inch deck. It's got a broken lift assist spring and a broken hydrostatic fan cooler. So first you want to start with taking out your battery in your battery tray. The bolts vary on size. This one's 11 mil. Pull this back, take that one off. You're gonna want some slack from here, so you might have to unplug your pressure sensor on your seat and kind of wiggle this back to gain some room, so you have to take it all the way out. But you just undo both of those, take the battery out, squeeze the sides of the tray in, pull the tray out, and you're almost right on top of it. Out of the way, we got a snap ring on that I guess input axle. We got to take that off with a pair of snap ring pliers, and after that the fan will come out. You can also, that's your breather for your crank or for your hydrostatic. You can also go in here in this plug and pry that out and check your fluids if you want, since you're here. Yeah, you got the two eyes, so I can do this without dropping the camera. Ooh, right tool makes it easy for the job. Then this comes out. This is the fan. This is what our fan looks like. This is what it should look like. What happened was the lift assist spring broke and it landed on top of the fan and blew all the fins off of it. So this one should just plop right in. Just like that. Put the snap ring back on and you're good to go. The lift assist spring, like I said, goes over there in that corner. The long shank goes on that end and the short shank goes in the back. I'd usually grab one of these and hook the short end and yank it back. I'll show you when it's done, but we'll see. And there, the lift assist spring is installed. Ready to go. That's kind of it. From there, put the battery back in, tighten everything up. You're good to go.